Putting your signature on a stamp saves you time and effort. They're great for checks, legal documents, letters, and more. Here, we'll show you 2 ways you can easily create a custom signature stamp today. First, write your signature on a piece of blank white paper using a black pen or marker. Then take a picture directly above your signature or scan it. Either on your phone or a computer, go to RubberStamps.com, hover over the Stamps category, and click Signature Stamps. Here, you can select a certain size stamp and either a pre-inked or self-inking mount. Now, it's time to personalize. Click on the graphics icon and add new graphic. With the computer icon selected, click Browse and then find the image of your signature. Once your image uploads, you can pull on the corners to adjust the size and move it around. You can also crop your image so its boundaries are just around your signature. If your signature needs finer detail, click on Edit Effects. Here, you can adjust the threshold value to fine-tune your stamp. Go to the palette icon to select a different ink color. When you're satisfied with your customized signature stamp, click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout to complete your order. The other option for creating a signature stamp is ordering a signature stamp mount and then emailing the image of your signature to csart@rubberstamps.com. Include your confirmation order number in the subject line of the email. It's really that easy to create a custom stamp of your signature. If you need additional help, email us at sales@rubberstamps.com, or you can call us at 888-816-8833.